Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sylvia. So today I'm back with another video. Today we are going to be dermaplaning my face. This procedure, I've seen a lot of people do it and I was like, you know what, I want to try it. It's good for exfoliation and getting rid of hair, and it gives you that instant glow that, you know, when you apply skincare you have like that baby skin. So I wanted to do it and just, you know, get the result and see if it's BS or not. So what I need for this video is this twinkle brow razor, and you need oil. Just because this is the first time, I would definitely be using an oil for like lubrication so that I don't irritate my skin. Okay, so an oil. Then you need like your cotton wool. You can get anyone. I'm using the plain old cotton wool. I'll use this to clean my face afterwards to reduce oil and also to see the debris that, you know, comes out from my face. Okay, so let's get into this dermaplaning video. So I'm using my coconut oil for my face. I'm just going to apply a little. I'm going to get out my blade. Oh wow. So this is the one I'll be using. So the videos I watch, you have to hold your blade like this, okay, before you, sorry I'm looking this way in my mirror, so you have to hold your blade like this and just start. Okay, so I'm just going to pull up my mirror close to me so I can see what I'm doing before we go on. Okay. Blade stuff is really sharp, and you can feel like the dermaplaning process as you're doing it. Whoa. So when you're doing this, please don't apply too much pressure. According to the people who I've watched, You don't need to put pressure, just keep going. Wow. Wow. Look at all the gunk on my face. It's a lot. It's blurry. Take the opportunity to like do my brows because my brows are so much. I don't know how to use this stuff for my brows, so I'm just going to try. Oh, I didn't even get to do my nose. I usually use blade to do my brows, but since I'm going to start doing this process, I will be doing my brows along with my derma planing, because why not? So I have micro shading on, so that's why my brows always look like this. Like I used eye pencil, just in case you are wondering. Those are not my natural brows, guys. It's micro shading. Okay, so I'm done with this process, guys. You can see instantly that my face is definitely glowing, and look at all the gunk that came out of my face. Like, I didn't know I had this much hair on my face. Like, wow. So I'm just going to take like a cotton wool to clean, and then now I'm done with this process, I'm going to go ahead and apply my skincare, because I didn't apply anything other than the oil. So I'm just going to clean the excess oil and then apply my face cream moisturizer. If you have a serum, you can use a serum as well. So I may just do my vitamin C oil. Wow, my face looks good. Oh, this is really good. So I'm just going to go in. This is what my face looks like. I'm going to go in with my vitamin C oil just to, spike up the glow. Okay, just a few drops. Just look at my skin. I love it. So if you want to try this process at home, definitely by all means try it out. This is a it's a good process. I really I'm blushing. I'm so fine. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any question about this whole Derma cleaning stuff, just leave in the comment section. I'll answer it. But before you leave, don't leave here without subscribing. If you don't subscribe, we're going to have problems, okay? So make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.